What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today I want to talk about something that I wish someone had told me when I first started YouTube. How do you make your very first $100? Not 1,000? Not 10,000? Just $100, because here's the thing. First 100 is the hardest. Once you make it, you know this stuff actually works. And once you know it works, making 500, then 1,000, then 5,000 becomes so much easier. So stick with me because I'm gonna show you the simplest and fastest way to hit that first $100, even if you just started your channel today. Let's get into it. Okay, so first let me tell you why most people never even make their first dollar on YouTube. They start a channel, they post a few videos, they get excited, and then they just sit there waiting for monetization. They think the only way to make money is through those YouTube ads. So they spend months trying to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And the whole time they're making nothing. Zero. Not a single dollar. And eventually they get frustrated and they quit. But here's what they didn't know. You don't need monetization to make $100. You don't even need 100 subscribers. You just need one simple thing. And I'm gonna show you exactly what that is right now. Alright? So here's the simplest way to make your first $100 from YouTube. You're gonna make one helpful tutorial video about something you already know how to do, and you're gonna put an affiliate link in the description. That's it. Seriously, that's the whole thing. Now let me break it down step by step. Step 1. Pick something you know. Think about something you know how to do that other people want to learn. It doesn't have to be complicated at all. It could be something like how to make simple graphics using Canva, how to write better using ChatGPT, how to set up a basic website, how to edit videos on your phone, how to start a simple online store. Whatever it is, there are people on YouTube right now searching for exactly that. You just need to be the person who shows them how. Step 2. Find an affiliate program. Almost every app and software tool you use every day has an affiliate program. And they pay really good money when you send people their way. Here are some easy ones to start with. Canva Pro pays you $36 every time someone signs up through your link. ConvertKit pays $30 per sign up. Descript pays $50 per sign up. Jasper AI pays up to $200 per sign up. All you do is Google the tool name and add affiliate program at the end. Sign up. Grab your special link and you're ready. Step 3. Record your tutorial. Now here's where people overthink things. You don't need a fancy camera. You don't need a professional microphone. You don't need a perfect background. Just open your laptop, record your screen, and show people how to do the thing you know. Start your video by saying something like, hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use Canva to make really clean YouTube thumbnails in about 5 minutes. Let's jump right in. Then just do it. Screen record yourself going through every step. Keep it clear. Keep it simple. Make sure someone who has never used the tool before can follow along easily. At the end of your video, say something like, alright, so that's how you do it. Super simple, right? If you want to try Canva Pro yourself, I put my link in the description below. They have a free trial so you can test it out before paying anything. Link is right down there. That's all you need to say. No pressure, no hard selling, just a friendly recommendation. Step 4. Set up your description. In your video description, write a few sentences about what your video covers. Then put your affiliate link clearly like this. Try Canva Pro for free with my link here, your link. Make it obvious and easy to find. People won't hunt for it. Step 5. Get it out there. Upload your video with a clear, simple title. Something like, how to make YouTube thumbnails in Canva, step by step for beginners. This is the kind of title people are actually searching for. When someone types that into YouTube, your video shows up. They watch it, they click your link, you make money, and the beautiful thing is once you upload it, it keeps working for you. People find tutorial videos through search for months and even years after you post them. Let me show you how the money actually adds up. Let's say your tutorial video gets 500 views in the first 2 weeks. That's not a lot at all. Really small numbers. Out of those 500 people, let's say 30 click your affiliate link. And out of those 30, maybe 4 people actually sign up for the paid plan. If you're promoting Canva Pro at $36 per sign up, that's $144. You just made your first $100 from 500 views. with 0 subscribers needed and 0 monetization. And here's what makes this even better. That video doesn't stop working after 2 weeks. It keeps getting views, it keeps getting clicks, it keeps making you money every single month while you sleep. I know people who made one tutorial video 18 months ago and it still pays them every single month today. That is the power of this method. Now look, this method I just showed you is the fastest way to hit your first 100. But if you want to go way beyond $100 and build something that makes you real consistent money every month, I actually wrote a book about this. It's called How to Make Your First $500 Online with YouTube Without Ever Showing Your Face. Inside you get the 5 best faceless niches that make the most money right now. My exact video formula that gets hundreds of thousands of views consistently. All the tools I personally use to make videos without ever recording myself. And the complete 3-step system that starts making you money from week 1. It normally goes for $47, but right now you can grab it for just $27. The link is down in the description and also in the pinned comment. But before you do that, I have something completely free for you. I put together the Faceless YouTube Starter Kit and it costs you nothing at all. You get 10 video script templates you can copy and use straight away, and the AI tools I personally use to create videos in less than 2 hours. Completely free. No email address needed, nothing. Just click the link in the description or pinned comment and down. Here is what I want you to do. Download the free starter kit first. Go through it carefully. Use the script templates and test the tools I recommend. Then when you are ready to go deeper and learn the full system to hit $500 and beyond, grab the book for $27. The book covers everything the free kit doesn't. Exact posting schedules, how to pick winning products to promote, how to create simple digital products to sell, all of it. Alright, let me wrap this up for you nice and simple. If you want to make your first $100 from YouTube, here is exactly what you do. Pick one thing you know how to do. Make a simple tutorial video about it. Sign up for the affiliate program of the tool you are teaching. Put your link in the description. Upload the video and let it work for you. Do this 3 times and your first $100 is basically guaranteed. Here is your action plan right now. Step 1. Click the link below and grab the free Faceless YouTube Starter Kit. Everything you need to start is in there. Step 2. If you want the complete blueprint for $500 and more, grab the book for $27. Step 3. Drop a comment below and tell me what tutorial topic you are going to make first. I read every comment and will give you personal tips. If this video helped you at all, please hit that like button and subscribe because I post videos like this every single week. See you in the next one. Go make that first 100. You can absolutely do this.